Hello everybody, hope you're good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the charging problem of your device Samsung Galaxy M13. So if you want to fix slow charging issue in your device Samsung Galaxy M13, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix slow charging issue in your device.